I'm John with OpenEye Technical Support, and today's question is, how do I add an IP camera to my hybrid or network video recorder? To add an IP camera to your recorder, there are 5 pieces of information required: the camera model, the IP address, the port, the user ID, and the password. These items will be different for each manufacturer, so the camera manual or manufacturer may need to be consulted for this information. Additionally, many manufacturers provide software that will attempt to locate cameras on your network automatically. OpenEye is compatible with cameras and video encoders from virtually every major IP device manufacturer on the market. For a complete list of compatible IP devices, visit openeye.net. This is also where you'll find our IP storage calculator to aid you in selecting your NVR or HVR system. Once you have gathered the information for your camera, start by clicking Setup and then log in with an authorized ID. Then go to the Network Cameras section, select the camera model from the Device Type drop-down, enter the IP address. With some cameras, the default port and user ID will automatically populate. Enter the password and then click Add. If you do not have all of the information for your camera, you can use the Find Cameras button to attempt to automatically locate the camera on the network. Not all camera models can be found this way. If the desired camera is found, highlight the camera, enter the user ID and password, then click Get Device to automatically add it. If you would like the camera to be labeled with a friendly identifier, change the device name and click Update. Now that the camera has been added, it needs to have a channel associated with it. Click the Channel Setup tab, select the position this camera should appear in, then click the Device drop-down and select the camera. Finally, click Apply and then Exit Setup. Now the camera should be available in your live view. There are several additional options and advanced settings available when adding an IP camera. Within Channel Setup, the Device Channel option can be used to select the lens or channel to be used with video servers or panoramic cameras that have multiple lenses or channel feeds available. Also, in the Channel Setup tab, PTZ Camera may be selected for any camera that has an optical, mechanical, or digital PTZ capability. Another feature available on the Channel Setup tab is the option to use network camera motion detection. The benefit to using an IP camera's built-in motion detection is that it reduces the recorder's CPU usage, allowing it to run faster. A potential disadvantage is that the use of built-in IP camera motion detection requires additional configuration within the camera, and not all cameras support motion detection. The widescreen option is also on the Channel Setup tab. This option is for 16:9 ratio or true HD cameras, such as the OpenEye CM610 and 710 cameras, which can transmit at 1080p. If the camera is capable of receiving and transmitting audio, this can be configured on the Audio Setup tab. There is an option to record the audio as well as an option to enable live audio. Finally, if access to the camera's setup menu is required, this can be accessed on most camera models without exiting server software. From the Camera Configuration tab, highlight the desired camera and click the Setup Network Device button. For more information on OpenEye's products or solutions, or to watch more video tutorials like the one you're watching now, visit us at openeye.net. From OpenEye, I'm John.